Hi guys, look, there's an M&M fan. Come on, let's see what's inside. Look, you can even spin it. When you press the yellow button, it will spin. Come on, let's see what's inside this machine. Come on, let's open it up, see what's inside. Look, it looks like it's a bag of M&Ms. And it has red and yellow M&Ms on it too. Come on, let's open it up. Look, there's so many M&Ms. Come on, let's put a yellow one. Let's put them in the basket. Look, everyone, there's an M&M machine. Come on, let's open it up. It's a yellow M&M machine, and it even has a yellow M&M sitting on top of it. Come on. Look, there's an M&M machine. Now we just have to remove it. There, and we have to take all the packaging off. And look, look, there's M&Ms in there. And let's take this wrapper off. Look, there's an M&M machine. You put your coins in and then you can get them back using this plate. And you twist that to get the coin in, and then you'll get an M&M. Look, it's pretty cool. Come on, let's open this M&M package. Yum! But look, it isn't enough. But it still isn't enough. But look what we got, a giant bag of M&Ms. Come on, let's open it up so we can have fun playing with this new M&M machine. Use that large cup to scoop up some M&Ms. Dump them in the bucket. Keep going. Now let's put the lid on. Come on. Let's put some money in so we can get some M&Ms. Oh look, we have lots of money. Come on, we'll pay for the M&Ms. Come on, put one coin in and twist it. Look, there's an orange M&M. Let's put it in the shopping cart. Now let's take a coin from Rebecca Rabbit and put it inside our machine. And twist it down. And look, there's a blue M&M. let's twist it in to see what this is. Look, there's a green M&M. Let's feed it to Rebecca Rabbit. Let's take the last coin. And look, there's a blue one. Come on. Let's give it to our lovely basket. Oh, hi. I just want to go shopping for some M&Ms. Sure, these M&Ms are delicious. Here. You can have one. Ooh, they are. Come on. I'm going to pay for my own. Let's turn it. Look, I got a blue one. And let's put it in Peppa's bag. Wow, that was good. Wow. I'm back at the shopping mart. Same. And look, Peppa got lots of M&Ms today. And also our lovely friend the dog got lots of stuff too. It's Rebecca Rabbit. Bye guys. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.